You really sell these? Who would buy healthy cookies? No chocolate ice cream? It looks like cardboard! Your little shop will fail. You should stop wasting your time.
Come on, let's go.
She is here. How do you feel today? I feel grateful. Thank you, everyone.
No one bought them.
May I see them? Did you make these?
Yes.
They look wonderful.
All of it?
All of it. Keep going.
Thank you.
Clara from 10 years ago.
Fresh cookies. I will try again.
Let's begin. Perfect.
Healthy snacks! Someone will try them.
You really sell these? Who would buy healthy cookies? No chocolate ice cream? It looks like cardboard! Your little shop will fail. You should stop wasting your time.
Come on, let's go.
I won't give up.
Are these homemade?
You can try one.
Very good. Kindness costs nothing.
Thank you, sir.
Keep going.
Maybe one more customer. It is still a start.
Clara, was it a hard day?
A little. I can try again tomorrow.
I am proud of you.
Thank you, Mom.
Tomorrow is another chance. Let's make it better.
Yes, Mom.
Slowly, one step at a time. We write every change.
Like this?
Perfect. Just a little. Much better.
I learned from today.
Let's try again. Fresh, healthy cookies!
Please, one bag, please.
Thank you.
These look interesting. Keep up the good work.
I will.
This is very good.
One at a time, please.
Fresh cookies! Let's see her little shop. You still sell these? Who buys healthy cookies? She will quit soon.
Did you make them?
Yes?
Come on, Mira.
Did you make these?
Please try one.
Call me. Your product has potential.
You mean it?
One more test. 10 years later, Clara successfully opened a company specializing in cookie production, exporting worldwide. We made it! They trust us.
Shipment ready. Send it up.
Another beautiful day.
Good morning, Miss Clara.
Good morning. Let's keep growing.
Please welcome Clara! What inspired your journey?
I never stopped believing. Every small step mattered. Thank you for believing in healthy choices.
Excuse me, would you like a cookie?
Ah, I'd be honored. These remind me of someone very special.
My grandma taught me how to bake them. That's too much.
Keep the change. Believe in your dream. Never stop believing in yourself.
I won't. Thank you. I'll remember this forever.
There was someone who believed in me before.
Now I will believe in myself.
Kindness always finds its way back. 10 years changed my life, but one act of kindness changed my heart forever.